Hello. So my account is Real Bacon. Let's see the siya. Nothing good. So if somebody subscribe me, tuko.
Uy! Parang lumaki.
I'm giving away this for my subscriber. I'm recording now.
Sinungaling.
Don't speak Tagalog.
Uy, ready na dinosaur mo.
Wala nga.
Ayun nga, meron na.
I'm giving this away for my subscriber who only likes. If this video gets 50 likes, I will give this to my fan. Look.
Gagana ulit ako mutation shock.
And I'm giving this away if I last. Only 20 people can receive 20 magnifying glass. One magnifying glass for each subscriber. So please subscribe. I'm sorry about the noise outside. That is a kid. I'm a kid too. I'm like 11 years old. So you can add me. Real Bacon. This is the avatar. Find this and I will give you this or this. And who likes the video, I will give this away. I carried this for like 40 months. Just kidding. Just 2 months. But its age is 40 years old. I will give this to my subscriber who likes and subscribe. It's okay to steal my plants, but you need to subscribe before you steal it. You can steal this. You can steal this. And you can steal my pitcher plant or sugar apple. But if you only subscribe, remember, I will give this to my subscriber and who likes it. Like my blood owl. I have 3 blood owl. This one 40 years old, 4 subscribers. This 41, 4 subscribers and who likes the video. And this 42 years old, 1 subscriber and who likes the video. And turn on notification bell all. So this is the end of the video. Bye bye.